Now we are moving on to the main agenda. So after my teachers sign in already, they actually have their names in there. Now we are going to move on with the welcome activity. I want to make sure that my teachers are actually, at least I ask about their mood. I want to know exactly how they're feeling because I want to be able to uh, lead them to the most productive collaborative meeting we can have. So at least give them a chance to relax. If they needed to vent out because they're frustrated for the week, at least with a welcome activity, I give them some fun activities that they can have so that we actually can relax together. This one right here, I am going to invite you to click on the Padlet. Please join me on the Padlet. And I know Vivian is also using Padlet. The beauty of Padlet is you don't have to log in, you don't have to buy an account. It's free. It's free. Okay, what I'm trying to show you right now is how my teachers were actually did this with me. So where would you rather be? So when I use this with my other teachers, this is actually what we came up with. So when I click on anything else, they actually would have something in there. It has a picture. It can actually, they can actually load a picture and then they can tell me where they want to go and why they want to go there. Somebody posted Canada because I want to see my niece and nephew. Comes with a picture also. And somebody posted Las Vegas. And over here, based on this activity, we can actually start talking to our students also, or to our teachers. Now, why am I actually using this kind of activity? It's simply because when I use this kind of activity, I am in a way modeling, just like what Mrs. Intatano was saying. We model these kinds of activities to our teachers simply because these are the activities that may not be just limited to one specific content area, but it can be used all across areas. Even if you're a math teacher, you can always ask these kinds of questions. Your social studies teachers, even more appropriately, because you're dealing with maps. You are actually an English language teachers. You can always incorporate using this kinds of lesson as a starter activity in your classroom. So that's the first thing that I do with my teachers.